the concept that patriots should lead Hong Kong government is very right and appropriate. I think it's a universal principle that you need to be loyal to your state. You need to be loyal to your country. How can you serve your country without being loyal? First of all, you have to be patriot. You have to be loyal to your country, your state, and then you can serve your country. There were reports in international press also that there were certain election loopholes where the Reuters and where people who were disloyal to Chinese mainland and Hong Kong, they actually got into that process and they got into governing positions. So I think it's very important to plug those loopholes. As I understand, when you have a patriot government in Hong Kong, it aligns with the policy of central government of China. It will help bring peace and stability. It will help bring prosperity in Hong Kong, and I think peace and stability is the most important.